After I discovered this recipe, there are no more apples in the fridge. Start by taking 4 juicy apples and cutting them into generous slices. These apples are the real stars of our dish. To add that special touch, squeeze the juice of a lemon over them to enhance the color and flavor. Now grease a baking dish with a little butter and arrange the apple slices so that they cover the entire bottom. This will ensure a delicious base for our pie. Sprinkle cinnamon powder over the apples. Ah, the aroma is already starting to invade the kitchen. In a bowl, sift 180 grams of flour, add 270 grams of sugar and a tablespoon of baking powder. Mix the dry ingredients well and spread the mixture over the apples in the tin, creating a topping that will melt and caramelize in the oven. Let's prepare the egg mixture. In a bowl, beat 3 eggs until smooth, then add 100 grams of melted butter. Mix until everything is well combined. Now, for a final touch, combine 2 tablespoons of sugar with cinnamon powder to taste in another bowl and mix. Pour the beaten egg mixture over the dough, making sure it covers all the apples and the flour mixture well. Add a little of the sugar and cinnamon that we mixed over the eggs into the pan. Place the pan in a preheated oven at 180 degrees and bake for 40 minutes. The kitchen will fill with a wonderful aroma and, when the timer rings, you'll know the pie is ready. And there you have it, a mouth-watering German apple pie. If you like this recipe, don't forget to like the video and follow our channel for more delights like this. Enjoy and see you next time.